Hi guys, so we are back again today. Dr. Adarsh, say hi.
Hello guys.
So, what procedure are you doing, Dr. Adarsh?
So today we are doing facial rejuvenation and vampire facial
Alright.
along with some CGF PRP.
And how is it going to help this beautiful patient that we have here today?
So as the name denotes, facial rejuvenation. So this is for rejuvenation of the face, for skin tightening, new collagen formation, new skin formation, resurfacing of the skin, and specifically here you can see there are a lot of open pores you can see
Right.
in this particular patient, in nose area and in cheek area. So malar area there is prominent open pores. So with this typical type of fractal mode treatment, we can reduce those open pores, uneven skin tone, increased level of collagen. I think this fractal mode is the best mode or best treatment for collagen formation in comparison to any other form of treatment modality. And we are combining vampire facial with this modality for more enhanced treatment outcome. तो जो फ्रैक्शनल मोड ऑफ लेजर है, दिस इज नॉट फ्रैक्शनल CO2 modality. This is fractal mode. They both have different wavelength and different energy level. They work in a totally different way. So don't get confused with it with fractional CO2 laser. So this is non-ablative, less ablative in comparison to fractional CO2, that is properly ablative treatment modality.
Right.
So the depth of fractional mode is much higher and the ablation invasiveness is higher. In this we are just activating the superficial layer of the skin and we are promoting collagen in this particular area for skin tightening, strengthening, and this will give a flawless skin, more enhanced look and less visibility of your open pores.
Okay. So, guys, this treatment is very much exclusively available at Saryu because it has been curated by Dr. Adarsh himself. So, it's one of its kind facial rejuvenation procedure. And although we have not given it a very nice name till now, so if you guys have any suggestions, you can do, DM us. And if you have any queries regarding any other procedures, you can DM us and my telecalling team will get back to you shortly. So that's all for now, and I'll be back for a lipolytic and acne scar live very soon, say in about half an hour or so. So that's all for now. Dr. Adarsh, say bye.
Bye guys.
Bye-bye.